Hail and well met. I'm Brady with Smarty Streets, the address location data specialists. This video is a Google Maps JavaScript API tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the Google Maps JavaScript SDK to get geocoding data, or the latitude and longitude, for addresses. As a heads up, we're going to be using Node.js in this tutorial. Before we can use the Google Maps JavaScript API, we need to register with Google and get an API key. If you haven't done this process yet,
brace for impact.
We won't lead you through the process completely, but essentially you will need to create a billing account, create a project, enable one or more APIs and SDKs, and when you get to that point, you will need to enable the Geocoding API and enable the Maps JavaScript SDK. Then, get, add, and restrict the API key. And then finally, pat yourself on the back because look at you and the things you can accomplish. Once you are ready for the adventure, click Get Started. Or, if you want to try a much easier geocoding tool, click the video in the corner to see how easy it is to use the Smarty Streets APIs. Once you have a Google Maps API key, create an environment variable in your system. The environment variable name needs to be Google Maps API key. Now, you might be tempted to write something like Map Quest API key, but that would only work if you traveled back to 1995. So once again, the environment variable needs to be Google Maps API key. The next step is to install the Google Maps JavaScript API SDK using npm.
Okay, campers, rise and shine and open up your editors because it's cold out there today.
Open up your favorite code editor and let the finger dance begin. The first thing you need to do is import the JavaScript SDK and instantiate the client. Next, we call the geocoding function on the client to get results for Google's headquarters. Notice that it is also where we read the Google Maps API key from your environment. Then we print the results of the call, which include the formatted address along with the geocoding data, the latitude and longitude, or as I like to call them, the lat-ongitude. It hasn't caught on yet, but I'll keep trying. Finally, if there were any errors, we will print it out. That's it, the code is done. Let's run this bad Larry. Notice that it's reformatted the address to the Google standardized format. Also note the lat-ongitude for that address. Yep, I'm still pushing that. You can now use the Google Maps JavaScript SDK. Thank you so much for watching. Please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell so you can be notified when we post other helpful tutorials and videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Or if you have questions regarding addresses, you can go to smartystreets.com and chat with our super awesome, super friendly, super fast support team. Okay, we're gonna go one more time from the top. You ready, Brady? Yes. Okay.